Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video, today I will show you a short leather mini bodycon, designer leather mini bodycon ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about in fashion about short leather mini bodycon. Leather mini bodycon will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about leather mini bodycon will change your look with zipper style, side zipper style, boutique style, stat style, PVC style and designer leather mini bodycon. Follow in all hottest women's, plus size women's, senior citizens, universities, fellow friends, colleges going friends. My dear friends, if you like to follow daily workouts in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events and much more about all your hot festive events and moods. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about leather mini bodycon, short leather mini bodycon and designer leather mini bodycon ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather mini bodycon ideas. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.